In today's video, I'll show you how to pin a video in a Microsoft Teams meeting. Pinning a video is useful when you want to keep a specific participant visible at all times, such as a presenter, instructor, or team lead. This helps you stay focused and prevents the video layout from constantly changing during the meeting. Let's get started. First, join or start a meeting in Microsoft Teams. Once you're inside the meeting, you'll see participant videos appear on your screen. Next, locate the video of the person you want to pin. You can find them directly in the meeting view or by opening the participants panel from the meeting controls. Hover your mouse over the participant's video. When you do, a small menu icon with 3 dots will appear. Click on the 3 dots to open more options. From the menu, select Pin for Me. As soon as you click this option, that participant's video will stay fixed on your screen. Even if other people start speaking or sharing video, the pinned video will remain visible. It's important to note that pinning a video only affects your personal view. Other meeting participants won't see any changes to their layout. If you want to unpin the video later, hover over the same participant's video again, click the 3 dots, and choose Unpin for Me. You can repeat this process to pin a different participant at any time during the meeting. And that's it. You now know how to pin a video in a Microsoft Teams meeting, making it easier to focus on the people that matter most. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a comment, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials.